In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $235,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn some commission. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so this is my lifetime commission, and I right now, as you can see in my balance, I have $10,125 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, I will share with you guys all my methods, so you just need to copy and paste and start your affiliate marketing business with $0. Okay, so let's get started. So first, go to Google. Okay, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, this is step number one for beginners. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, so just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, just click on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest. So we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, and make sure to to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. So why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Millions of people every single day are scrolling on Pinterest searching for specific services, specific products, and you can make a lot of money with Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do after you finish, just go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for t-shirt design. Okay, search for t-shirt design, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, like this one is really looking good. Like this one is level 2 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. This service starting just from $10. A lot of people can buy this service. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, double click, save this picture to your laptop, click on save image. I'm gonna name it, for example, design. Click on save, go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, upload this picture to your Pinterest account, and here you go. So what you need to do next, you just need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, you can use his information. Go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. Copy this part and they will go to Pinterest and they will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, it's the same. Go to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here, click on choose board, and if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, so I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put tags, okay, keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords like this. So you should use those keywords, they are very important. Okay, and go back and they will copy this one, paste, and after you, so just put all your keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link from here, this is your title, and this is your description. So that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can start affiliate marketing business without website, without followers, without any paid ads, just by using free traffic. So you just need to stay consistent and keep promoting a lot of affiliate links. If you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 3 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links with new account, your account will get banned. So start just with a few affiliate links per day, one between 1 and 3. After a few weeks, then you can start promoting a lot of affiliate links every single day to increase your commission and your money. Okay, and that's it. Also check my YouTube channel, I share with you guys how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, YouTube Shorts, and so much more for free using free traffic. Check those methods for free. I share all those methods in my YouTube videos. Check my YouTube channel and go and start your affiliate marketing business for free. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay consistent, work hard, and see you in my next video.